We must embrace pain and burn it as fuel for our journey. Ever since I came to Taiwan, I've been asking myself, what is the real reason I never want to leave? The question is, what will you do with your pain? Will you let it break you, or will you let it redefine you? One day, 4 waterfalls. Let Taiwan heal you. Roar. 今天的行程就是要从我们台湾南部潮州镇的家出发，然后要开大约40分钟，就会到山上的牛角溪瀑布群。
Here we go! Rex, are you ready?
这里可以看到3个瀑布，然后我们去的最后瀑布是个秘密，要看到最后才知道哦。
This place is super pretty.
让我们一起来看看吧。
Whoa! That looks very relaxing. Look at that. It's like little natural swimming pools.
So what does it mean to heal? To heal means to cause a wound, injury, or person to become healthy again. It's the process by which the body repairs itself. Life can be full of disappointments, failures, pain, and hardships. These things affect us all every day, and they can wound or injure us. So sooner or later, all of us will need to heal.
There's so many people playing in the water. Just a little bit of water there.
A joyful heart is good medicine or good for healing, but a crushed spirit saps one's strength.
All right, we're just river tracing up the path. There's some pretty good trails here.
So, what are some ways we can have this joyful heart that is good for healing? Today, while sharing our adventure, I will talk about 5 things that have helped me heal in Taiwan, and I really hope it can also help you guys in your everyday life. The first way to heal: live life every day as a fighter, not as a victim. This mindset will help you regain your power. Every day we wake up with a choice. Will I rise or will I fall today? The second way to heal is to refuse to let negativity control your thoughts. Healing does not mean the damage never existed. It means the damage no longer controls our lives. Our wounds are often openings into the best and most beautiful part of us. Yes, pain can help us cultivate more empathy and love, therefore finding deeper meaning in life.
All right, we just dived in the first waterfall. What do you think of this place so far?
The third way to heal: Healing yourself is closely connected with healing others. There's nothing more satisfying than using your prior suffering and pain to relieve someone else's.
Are you okay?
Ouch! Are you okay? Okay.
Yes, helping others heals us.
I can do it!
I just jumped off the highest place I ever jumped before.
Great.
The fourth way to heal. Patience is key. The soul usually knows what to do to heal itself. The challenge is to silence the mind. Healing is not an overnight process. It takes time. Sometimes you'll feel like you're finally over something and happy again, and the wound will reopen. Don't give up. Don't get discouraged. There's a saying I love. Fall 1,000 times, get up 1,001. It means as long as we get up, it doesn't matter how many times we fall.
This path is definitely a little treacherous. You can't really see how steep it is right here, and then it just drops off to this really steep waterfall, and then you gotta walk back there, but there is ropes and stuff, but definitely the slip-proof shoes have helped a lot today. Like, I think it's been way better because we've had these shoes. Whoa, we're going over there!
The fifth way to heal. Find a source of reliable, inexhaustible strength and love. But I will restore your health and heal your wounds. So, why don't I ever want to leave Taiwan? Because Taiwan is healing. This place has given me hope and made me more resilient. No matter what you're going through or have been through, I hope you too can embrace this pain and use it as fuel for your own journey.
Like a breath of air to rescue a drowning man, like a bindle of a junkie's hair.
Just an ordinary day.
I hope you too can heal.
We're at our second destination. 2 adventures in one day. This is awesome!
Edge of going crazy.
2 adventures in one day. 2 adventures in one day.
It's breaking me.
Oh, this is a great workout.
I'm missing you so desperately.
This path is kind of overgrown, so it's making me worry a bit, but I definitely hear water.
There's a Japanese process of repairing broken pottery using liquid gold called kintsugi or kintsukori. The gold repaired pottery is considered more valuable and highly rare compared to its original state. Similarly, we can feel broken at times, but the scars life gives us also make us more beautiful. As long as we don't give in to bitterness, we will become stronger every day and grow, despite the pain.